Welcome! This video tutorial offers a quick and easy guide on how to remove the $sign in Excel. We're going to have a look at two different scenarios, so you'll see what to do if the $sign has been entered as part of formatting, and how to remove the sign if it's part of text. Shall we start? Hello and welcome to EasyClick Academy. My name's Maria, and together with our EasyClick team, we're here to make sure you'll be able to use Excel in a quick and easy way, thanks to our digestible video tutorials. To remove the $sign when used with a number in Excel, we first need to find out whether this symbol shows in the cell because it's part of its formatting, or whether it's been manually entered next to the number as text. And that's actually an easy task to do. For example, we click on the cell B3, and up here, in the formula bar, we see only the number 100. That means the $sign here is not part of the value stored in the cell. It's part of the formatting. Now, when we click on D3 and check the formula bar up here, the $sign appears next to the number, which means that the symbol has been typed in the cell manually and it's stored there as text. Let's now have a look at how we can remove the $sign in both cases. If the $sign is part of formatting, we need to select the cell or cells where we want to remove this symbol. So here we select these three cells. We then use a right-click to get to a menu where we look up Format Cells. A window appears which we move aside a bit, and we can see that the cells containing these numbers have been formatted as currency using the $sign. If we don't want to use the $sign, we need to change formatting. So, in the field Category, we make a change from currency to number. We can make some little adjustments here if needed, like set the number of decimal places or the thousand separator. For now, we simply leave these extra settings the way we found them, press OK, and that's it. The $sign has disappeared from all three cells, but the numbers haven't changed. And let's move on to the next scenario. In column D, the $sign has been manually entered next to the numbers. The symbol can easily be removed from all cells at once thanks to a handy little function called Find and Replace. Again, we select these three cells, then we go to the Home tab, click on Find and Select, and then click on Replace for the Find and Replace window to appear. In the field Find What, we type the $sign. The box Replace With remains empty, since we want to find all occurrences of the $sign in the selected range of cells and remove them without any replacement. Now we just simply click on Replace All, and it's all done. We're also provided with the information on how many changes have been made. In this case, it's 3. We can close the window and check the data tables. In both cases, the $sign has been removed. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch other video tutorials by EasyClick Academy. Learn how to use Excel in a quick and easy way. Is this your first time on EasyClick? We'll be more than happy to welcome you in our online community. Hit that subscribe button and join the EasyClickers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.